All right, thank you.
Okay. Left hand right here. Okay. Down the sights. You see that dot. This part is fully automatic. You want to shoot in good bursts, like 3 or 4 rounds, okay?
Wait, step on back. Right hand is down. You're going to go left hand, just like that. Rear front target, 5 shots.
Yeah, good. Right hand there, left hand right here. Here. Other way, yeah.
Rear side, front side.
Hold the trigger down the way. All right, good job. Fun, right?
Thank you.